Okay, action.
Hey y'all, welcome to Wheeling. Happy New Year. And the bitter cold winter. So we had our pipes freeze up. This is Sunday the 31st, New Year's Eve. Had our pipes freeze up. Our pipes are frozen many years. And I spent a lot of years underneath this crawl space patching things. A couple years ago, 3 years ago, we had everything replaced with PEX tubing. And this is an addition of an addition of an addition, I think, on this house. Everything is just so weird. It's not like I can put heat tape on anything, you know, I got insulation around everything. But everything froze up again. PEX pipe, everybody says, go with PEX, go with PEX. And they're right, PEX pipe is great because it freezes and expands. So I don't have any broken pipes. But I'm going to tell you how I thought it out this year. I don't know why I never thought of it. I mean, I'm not a plumber, so maybe that's why I never thought of it. With everything frozen, Gail wanted to come down here with a blow dryer and try to hit pipes. So, instead of that, I went and bought one of these. And let that run in the basement. What did it run, dear? About 3 hours? 4
Yeah.
hours?
Yeah, something like that. Less than 3 hours, I
Yeah,
think.
less than 3 hours. With this in the crawl space, before you knew it, it was above freezing underneath there. I mean, it really heated that up. This is a 60,000 BTU torpedo heater. Runs off a tank of propane. Took less than 3 hours. Heated it up enough to thaw everything out. So now we can, you know, leave everything dripping. What it was, we had left them dripping during the bitter nights and nothing froze up. Then in the afternoon, we left. Nick left about noon. We got home about 5 o'clock, 5:30 from work, and everything froze up because it wasn't left dripping. So now it's all thawed out. We have temperatures going to be single digits and below zero for the next week. I think the highest high for the next week is going to be 14 or 15 degrees. So I just wanted to show you the lazy man's way of thawing out the pipes. If you have enough room in your crawl space. Now my crawl space is, you know, it's not like what you're thinking of where you got to get on your back and you're trying to reach around. I can crawl around on my hands and knees. There's parts of where I can squat and walk along. So when you go in this opening, it goes downhill like that. So I have room for this. The safety thing says you need 2 feet on each side have to be clear, 3 feet in the back, and 6 feet out front. And this is an unvented propane heater. So you have to be in a well-ventilated area. If this was not well ventilated, the wind wouldn't freeze our pipes. So that'll show you how ventilated it is. But you can't like heat a home or anything with that, like that with it. But it will work great in the barn. This thing will heat 1,500 square feet. That's what it's designed for. I've got maybe 100 square feet down here to do. That's why I did it so well and so quickly. I never turned it up past 1. I mean, there you got 1, 2, 3 different speeds on it. I left it on 1. and let it do its thing. So anyway, that's how we spent our New Year's Eve. Everything is thawed out now. All the faucets are running, toilets are running, hot water's running. No leaks, nothing broke, which is a miracle. And I'm gonna put all this stuff away now. Take that tank, put it under the porch there, because you don't store propane tanks in your house. This I'll take in. But we did want to wish everybody a happy new year, a safe new year. And it's been a great 2017. We accomplished a lot, I think, out of St. Bernard Acres. 2018 is going to be a really good year. We'll get to finish up the cabin, get to work on the bushcraft stuff, get to do things around here. Chickens are all fine, even in the sub-zero temperatures. The girls are good. You know, we try to, put down fresh hay today, put new wood chips in, get food. The big thing is the water freezes all the time, so you're always out here with the water. But they stay warm. They're in there somewhere.
Where are they at? Where are you at, girls? All the way down there. Buck, 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 buck.
Let me go get the...
Alright, go ahead.
Things I wanted to mention about this, because I know you're going to ask. Number one, it does need electric. It needs electricity for the fan and the ignition, because it's electric start. And I bought this at Lowe's. It was $99. Minus our 10% military discount. But it comes with the torpedo heater and a 10-foot propane hose and regulator, all for the $99. And I'm telling you what, to me, best $100 I ever spent, because it thawed this stuff out. I never thought of that before. I don't know why, but this is how I'm going to try to thaw pipes out from now on. Especially the PEX tubing, because nothing broke. Had this been any other year or winter that we spent here, those pipes would have been broken, and we'd have been crying. So
we did that the first couple times, and then it broke, and we were crying.
yeah, I mean, it's like crazy. We cried every year until we got all the PEX tubing run. So I'm gonna disconnect the propane now. Take this in the house. We're gonna go in and get warmed up and celebrate having water to start out 2018.
Well, we'll let the girls come out front.
Yeah.
In the snow.
Yeah, we got to go around front anyway.
Yeah.
We'll show you the Maggie and Misha. They get some camera time in the snow. So we'll be back here directly.
Come on, Maggie.
Come on. Come on.
Come on, Maggie. Maggie.
Come on, Maggie.
Maggie. Maggie.
Maggie. No, she's got to eat snow out of that.
No, come on, Maggie. Come here. Hey, Misha. Hey, Misha. Hey. Looky here, Missy. Looky here, Missy. What are you talking about? Huh? Come down those steps. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Maggie. Maggie, come on.
Holy crap. Oh, kill myself back here.
Misha Bear. Hey, Misha. Maggie. Oh, my old lady. Look at all that gray on your ears. You come in the house? Or you gonna stay outside? I know, you're just looking to bark at somebody, aren't you? Maggie, you gonna come in? Alright, Mommy's going in the house.